Okay, I'm gonna turn on my little tornado siren because it's kind of cloudy out. It's gonna be a test because at like 11 o'clock at night it's supposed to rain. So let's see. Let's turn this little bad boy on. It's a little hard to turn on. Oh wait. Oh, I forgot to plug in the wire. Silly me. Yeah. Wait, I still. I see what's wrong. My little wire. Come on, little wire, you can do it. Oh, I just turned on the wire by accident. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not really loud. I don't want to put it on max volume because it might scare my little neighbors. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It took a long time. This is what the wire looks like. I took a extension cord. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Bye.